How to copy formatting in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Select the text you want all your text to format to. Then you'll find Format option on top, which is Paint Format. Click on Paint Format and you'll find this kind of cursor. In here, simply select the text you want to format to. Simply select the text and it will be formatted to the text you selected earlier. As you can see, it has been changed. This is how to copy formatting in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.